clean or replace the air filter on your RZR 170, follow these steps. Set the parking brake. Move or remove the storage bag by unclipping the storage bag snaps. Remove the 4 air filter access cover fasteners. And remove the cover. Clean the area around the air filter cover. Release the 2 right airbox spring clamps from above and the 2 left spring clamps from under the left rear wheel well. And remove the airbox cover. Inspect the cover seal. Loosen the clamp and remove the air filter. Inspect the air filter and replace if necessary. Notice, if the filter has become soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Install the air filter in the airbox. Notice, use of non-Polaris approved air filters may cause engine damage. Always use Polaris approved replacement filters. Replacement filters are available at your Polaris dealer. In dusty conditions, air filter replacement will be required more often. Tighten the clamp. Install the airbox cover and secure the right spring clamps from above and the left spring clamps from under the left rear wheel well. Notice, proper placement of the air filter is important to prevent rattles and air leaks. Install the airbox access cover and its 4 fasteners. Reinstall the storage bag. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.